during the conduct of the two-day Regionalized Women and Children Protection Summit on February 16 to 17, 2026 at NPD Conference Room, Tanigil Street, corner Dagat-Dagatan Avenue, Caloocan City. The activity aimed to enhance the knowledge, skills, and competence of participating personnel in handling cases involving women and children. The certificate of recognition is given to Police Corporal Marivic M. Donguines, District Investigation and Detective Management Division. Once again, congratulations to all the awardees for outstanding dedication and invaluable contribution. Sir, please be seated.
May I call Police Colonel Bernabe A. Orinco Jr., Chief DOPD, to introduce our guest of honor and speaker.
A wonderful morning to everyone. Today I am greatly honored and privileged to introduce our guest of honor and speaker in this ceremony. He was born in Balanga, Bataan, and from humble beginnings, he has grown into a remarkable individual who continues to inspire many through both his entrepreneurial journey and his generosity. He is widely known as Boss A, the founder and chairman of Laptop Warehouse, a successful small business that has helped countless Filipinos gain access to affordable quality laptops. He is also a proud aspiring adoptee of the Philippine National Police Academy San Sinirangan class of 2007, embodying the values of discipline, integrity, and service. Beyond this, he is recognized as an online community leader and a social media philanthropist, using his platform to inspire and uplift others. Nakilala siya sa kanyang patuloy na pagtulong sa bawat taong kanyang naaabot sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng oportunidad, laptop at suporta sa mga Pilipinong nagsusumikap sa buhay. Sa kanyang sariling plataforma, patuloy niyang hinihikayat ang iba na tumulong at maging inspirasyon sa kapwa. Isa sa kanyang paninindigan ay ang pagiging responsable sa paggamit ng impluwensya. Mahigpit niyang tinututulan ang anumang uri ng iligal na sugal, online man o offline, at isinusulong ang tamang paraan ng paghahanap buhay at pagpulungan. From being a small business owner, he has evolved into a content creator known not only for entertaining content, but also for meaningful impact. He combines business with compassion, offering opportunities for people to purchase laptops at very affordable prices while promoting his life philosophy, paying it forward, sharing a portion of his blessings to help others. Today, his mission is clear: to make sure that every Filipino has access to a laptop, opening doors to education, livelihood, and better opportunities. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our guest of honor and speaker, Mr. Anthony David Manalili, also known as Boss A. Sir?
Hello. Yan, magandang araw sa ating lahat. At una sa lahat, taos-puso po ako nagpapasalamat sa mainit na pagtanggap ng Northern Police District It is truly an honor to stand here today and be welcomed by such dedicated and respected institution. Sa lahat ng uniform at non-uniform personnel ng NPD, saludo po ako sa inyong serbisyo. Araw-araw, pinipili niyong magsakripisyo para sa kapayapaan at kaligtasan ng ating komunidad. Hindi madali ang inyong tungkulin. May kaakibat itong panganib, pagod at napakalaking responsibilidad. Pero patuloy niyo itong ginagampanan ng may integridad at malasakit. Kayo po ang tunay na dahilan ng kaayusan sa ating lipunan. Nais ko rin pong bigyang pagkilala ang ating mga opisyal na bumubuo sa Northern Police District. Siyempre, unahin ko si PNP Chief, Police General Jose Melencio C. Nartades Jr., sa ating District Director, General Christopher De La Cruz. Maraming salamat po. Kala Police Colonel Amante Daro, Police Colonel Villaflor Banwanagan, Police Colonel Relly Arnedo, Police Colonel Charlie Cabradilla, Police Colonel Jerry Lailo, siyempre, kay Police Colonel Bernabe Enrico. Sir, thank you. Police Lieutenant Colonel Edison Pascasio, Police Lieutenant Colonel Florian Reynaldo, Police Lieutenant Colonel Romil Avenido, Police Lieutenant Colonel Angelito De Juan, Police Lieutenant Colonel Ronald Cayago, Police Lieutenant Colonel Harry Lapus, Police Lieutenant Colonel Fred Lenota, Police Lieutenant Colonel Francis Garcia, Police Lieutenant Colonel Joby Astucia, Police Major Darwin Dicano, Police Major Patrick Alvarado, Police Captain Crisame Deito, Non-Uniform Personnel Ma'am Jocelyn Lahong. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sa ating mga opisyal na patuloy na nagsisilbi ng buong puso dito sa bayan, maraming salamat po. Bilang isang pribadong individual, malaking karangalan po sa akin maging bahagi ng pagkakataong ito. Naniniwala po ako na ang tunay na pagbabago ay nanggagaling sa pagkakaisa at pagtutulungan ng bawat isa, maging pribado man o institusyon. In honor of all your hard work and dedication, gusto ko pong magbigay ng simpleng paraan ng pasasalamat. It is my privilege to humbly donate 10 workstations entrusted under the leadership of Police Colonel Bernabe Adora Irinco para makatulong po sa araw-araw na operasyon at serbisyo ng bayan. May these workstations serve as tools to improve efficiency, strengthen coordination, at mas mapabilis pa ang pagtulong ninyo sa ating kababayan. Maliit man ito kumpara sa mga sakripisyo, pero ito po'y taos-puso kong binibigay bilang pasasalamat sa serbisyo. I look forward to building a stronger relationship with all of you, grounded in trust, respect, and ensure commitment to serve the Filipino people. Proud po akong makasama kayo. Patuloy po nating mag-adapt, mag-grow, maging inspirasyon sa maraming Pilipino. Muli, ako po si Boss A. Bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas. Serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, sir, for your wisdom and kind words of commandment. We truly appreciate your insight and guidance.
To present the plaque of recognition and memento to the guest of honor and speaker, may I call our Acting District Director, Police Brigadier General Christopher R. De La Cruz to be assisted by the command group. For the memento, sir, ang pagbibigay ng arawan ng fish bilang regalo ay sumisimbolo sa kasaganaan or prosperity, kayamanan, swerte at kapangyarihan. Tinatawag din itong dragonfish at itinuturing na isa sa sa pinakamahalaga at makapangyarihang feng shui charm.